नमस्ते, edX हिंदी में आपका स्वागत है। Today we will learn 13 vowels in Hindi script. Vowels are also called swar. Swar. In this video, you will also learn how to pronounce them, and you will also look at some sample words in English which will help you relate to Hindi phonics sound system. Let's start. Our first vowel is a. The sound is same as in bug or hug. The second vowel is a. It's a long ah sound, and the sound is same as in father or park. Ah. The third vowel or swar in Hindi is a short sound, e. The sound is same as in fin or sit. The fourth swar is e. It's a long e sound, and the sound is same as in bean or free. The fifth vowel is oo. It's a short oo sound, and the sound is same as in pull or put. Oo. The next word is oo. This is a long oo sound, and the sound is same as in the English words pool or moon. Ooh. The next word is re, and the sound is same as in grip or ring, re. The eighth swar is a. The sound is similar to the alphabet a, and the sound is same as in the word may or hate. A. The next word is a, and the sound is same as in the alphabet actor or atom. A. The next word is o. This sound is similar to the alphabet o itself, and the sound is same as in the word float, o, or goat, o, or okay, o. Our 11th swar is aw as in awesome, or thought, aw. The 12th swar is a nasal sound. It is pronounced as ang. The sound is similar to the word uncle, or the sound as in tongue, ang. And the last swar or vowel is ah. It's a hollow sound, and the sound is same as in the word ah. In our next video, we will learn the symbols of these vowels or swar, and we will also learn the Hindi vocabulary words starting with these swars. Till then, keep practicing, keep revising. Dhanyavad. And don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to edX Hindi channel on YouTube. फिर मिलेंगे.